Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to set games as private on Steam so that no one else can see them. So if you've got some not safe for work games, this is what you're going to want to do. So open Steam. At the moment, it's still in the beta program, so you're going to need to make sure you are in the beta to get it. So first, just go to Steam, go to Settings, then go down to Interface. Here, just go down and make sure you have client beta participation set to Steam beta. Once you do that, Steam will update and you'll have access to the feature. If you're doing this at a later time, so in a few months or something, you've probably got this by default. So now just go to the library, find the game you want. So I'm just going to pick this random one, right click on it, go down to manage and then set mark as private. Once you've done that, you'll get this prompt here that explains what's going on and you can just set it as private. Everything that happens was shown in the information here. So that's done. You'll also see just over here near the settings little icon, it shows a little private icon. So now no one can see what's happening with you playing this content or that you even have it. If you want to unprivate it, just go back, right click on it, go to manage and go unmark as private and it'll be back to normal. So that's all there is to it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone.